Welcome everybody to my next video. We are keeping it under the speed limit here, heading up to our local BMX track with my RC car that I showed you guys in the last video. Here's how an electric car works. I might make some videos on this thing. This thing's awesome. Anyway, so we're gonna do some cool stunts. I'm bringing this with me. He's filming right now. Shout out to you. Welcome to the BMX track. Here we have my car without the body on. You can get some GoPro shots. I've come with my off-road shoes. We are in sport mode, everybody, so I can run. Okay guys, that's a wrap on today's video. As usual, there's more work to be done on this car. We've got a slipping drive shaft, which keeps happening. We'll need some new parts, but that's the story of this car. Every time I drive it, something breaks. Still lots of fun, and yes, tune in for my next video coming soon.